Don't freak out and be like, oh my god, what is Havana twist? Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you have been here, thank you so much for always watching my videos, for always supporting me. So yeah, today's tutorial is going to be about this hairstyle, guys. The girl is slaying again. So I kind of have a lot to say about this hairstyle, and I used Luna Kinky from Sister and the Max Fluffy Kinky from Sister also. And you guys, can you see the finishing of the braid? I didn't want them to be really perfect. The name of this hairstyle, it's called Havana twist. Yeah, it's called Havana twist. I'm going to show you guys how Havana twist looks, the crochet Havana twist. That's why I think it's called Havana twist. Sisi huku tunajuanga tumeshuka tu twist, and I just wanted the finishing to look kinda not neat and neat at the same time. So I used Celeste from Sister also to do my finishing over here. Wow, you guys, I just love how it looks. Like, I really love messy looks, so this is just everything for me. I just love how it looks. This is Havana. Yeah, this is Havana twist. This is how Havana twist looks. And people crochet it like this, but I feel like it's too short. If it was longer, I would consider, but still I feel like I can't rock this look like this. It just looks so synthetic. I don't know if you guys understand me. I feel like this look looks more natural more than this. Actually, if I put them beside each other, you can actually see the difference. You'd actually tell this is not my hair, but you would tell this is my hair if you didn't know I had extended it. While doing Havana twist, you use any kinky braid you can get. So you can use Mali braid, you can use fluffy kinky, you can use Afro kinky, and there's also Senegalese twist, is a bit softer compared to this one, and you use the normal braids. For this Havana twist, you use any kinky braid you can get, but for Senegalese twist, you use the normal braid. So don't confuse. When you want to do this hairstyle, use kinky braids, because if you use the normal braids that we use to braid our hair, it's going to slide off. Yani itatokana haraka, the twist will tokana haraka compared to this one. I think atu kidipado kwa maji it will still tokana. So I prefer normally when I do my twist, or as we call it, Havana twist, just use any kinky hair, Mali hair, fluffy kinky, Afro kinky, whichever hair you prefer to use. So either of those can work. So over here I only used the first bunch of Celeste to have this finishing at the bottom. If you want them thicker, you can just use more hair to have them thicker, but I wanted mine to have thinner finishing. I didn't want them to be thick. So yeah, I think I've said everything that I had to say about this Havana twist. So give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, you can also comment down below if you found this video very helpful for you, and you can also subscribe if you're new here, and you can also share and tell your friends to subscribe, your sister, your mother, I don't know, anyone you think will find this video helpful. So with no further ado, let's get to the video. Mwah, mwah. Love you guys.
Making moves, trying to stack up my achievements. I've been moving with a sequence. I'm a young dude, trying to get my first meal. After parting your hair, after parting the hair you want to braid, make sure you moisturize. And I use rose shea butter to moisturize my hair. It makes my hair softer and moisturized while it's tucked into the braid, to avoid your hair being dry after taking out your braids and breakages and all that. So after moisturizing, separate your hair into two. Make sure the braid you're using to braid your hair is going to be in the middle before you start, so that you can have a very neat and natural look. It's kind of going to look like it's a knotless look if you do it this way. It's not going to have a knot and a bump there at the bottom. So after doing that, you twist each strand to the same direction. If you're twisting it to the right, twist both of them to the right. If it's the left, twist both of them to the left. Then after twisting both strands on either direction you've chosen, you actually continue twisting each strand but moving them to the opposite direction, so that it can form the rope kind of look, the twist kind of look that we want. Yes, I hope I have explained it nicely. I really didn't want to talk because I felt like I'm going to confuse some of you instead of helping. But that is the process. Yeah, I hope it's understandable. So because I was going for for longer twist, as I continued adding braids so that it can be longer. So as you continue, you're going to see how I added braids for it to be longer and finished with this cerise at the bottom, just a strand of cerise, not something really thick, because I really didn't want it to be thick at the bottom. I just wanted it to be thinner. Okay, yeah.
I've been making moves, trying to stack up my achievements. I've been moving with a sequence. I'm a young dude, trying to get my first million. For the bands, I'm a pilgrim, praying to the Lord. Rain blessings on the boy, rain blessings on the boy. Need the real, fuck a toy. I need the real, fuck a toy. I need the real, not a ploy. Get money and bitches, power, respect from the niggas. My shit is pick off the litter, but it's in vain. Cause one day I'ma perish, leave it behind in the cellars. Controlled by time, so a legacy I'm designing. Yes, sir. Fuck the stress, I'm finessing up on the beat, it's my pleasure. On many nights, ain't nobody witness the pain. Nobody. I paid my dues, don't you go get it confused. I need to better my views, I need some credit to use. Yeah, you can hear the wolf howl. Tell me what you gonna do now. Yeah, I see you trying to move slow. If you feel yourself losing all of your control, just breathe. Easy. Yeah, nigga, breathe easy. 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 See what we get easy. Though I breathe easy. Easy beat, Nazi breeze, got some sick prophecies. I see myself spilling seeds, so it's about to be my season. Fuck a season, deceased never season. Retreat, take a seat, then it's born opposite. Feeding your ears on the sickest of flows, they so seasick. Got scriptures, Nikami Kasisi. Talking no games, no comic, no DC. Is it really love if that shit only's kindy? Surrounded by people who don't really see me. Talking by people who won't let me be me. Fuck 'em, my ducker might go cause a ruckus. I minus the suckers of might in the summer. Shine in abundance and work on my commas. So you know the boy staying hot like an oven. Yeah, you can hear the wolf howl. Tell me what you gonna do now.
Another thing, as you twist the braid, make sure at the beginning when you start twisting, tuck your hair into the braid. Okay, while twisting each strand to the same direction before twisting it over each other, make sure you tuck in your hair into the braid to avoid your hair from popping out as you continue braiding the hair downwards. And if your braid pops out, if your natural hair or if your hair pops out while braiding, don't worry, you can actually use a crochet needle to pull your natural hair into the twist. So don't worry if along the way you mess it up, especially if you have short hair. It's going to be really difficult to do this hairstyle because your natural hair will be popping out the braid as you braid. But if it pops out, just take your crochet needle and just crochet back your hair into the twist and it's going to be back to normal. It's as easy as that, guys.
Five from Tetra.
Check it. Yeah. Check. Quill. Get it. Look, I've been making moves, trying to stack up my achievements. I've been moving with a sequence. I'm a young dude, trying to get my first million. For the bands, I'm a pilgrim, praying to the Lord. Rain blessings on the boy, rain blessings on the boy. Need the real fucking toy. I need the real fucking toy. I need the real, not a ploy. Get money and bitches, power, respect from the niggas. My shit is pick up the litter, but it's in vain. Cause one day I'ma perish, leave it behind in the cellars. Control my time, so a legacy I'm designing. Yes, sir. Fuck the stress, I'm finessing up on the beat, it's my pleasure. On many nights, ain't nobody witness the pain. Nobody. I paid my dues, don't you go get it confused. I need to better my views, I need some credit to use. Yeah, you can hear the wolf howl. Tell me what you gonna do now. Yeah, I see you trying to move slow. If you feel yourself losing all of your control, just breathe. Easy. Yeah, nigga, breathe easy. 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 See what we get easy. Though I breathe easy. Easy beat, nazi breeze, got some sick prophecies. I see myself spilling seeds, so it's about to be my season. Fuck a season, deceased never season. Retreat, take a seat, then it's born opposite. Feeding your ears on the sickest of flows. They so seasick, got scriptures, Nikami, Kasisi. Talking no games, no comic, no DC. Is it really love if that shit only's Kinky? Surrounded by people who don't really see me. Talking about people who won't let me be me. Fucker, my ducker, might go cause a ruckus. I minus the suckers of might in the summer. Shine in abundance and work on my commas. So you know the boy staying hot like an oven. Yeah, you can hear the wolf howl. Tell me what you gonna do now. Yeah, I see you trying to move slow. If you feel yourself losing all of your control, just breathe. Easy. Yeah, nigga, breathe easy. 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 been making moves, trying to stack up my achievements. I've been moving with a sequence. I'm a young dude, trying to get my first million. For the bands, I'm a pilgrim, praying to the Lord. Rain blessings on the boy, rain blessings on the boy. Need the real, fuck a toy. I need the real, fuck a toy. I need the real, not a ploy. Get money and bitches, power, respect from the niggas. My shit is pick up the litter, but it's in vain. Cause one day I'ma perish, leave it behind in the cellars. Controlled by time, so a legacy I'm designing. Yes, sir. Fuck the stress, I'm finessing up on the beat. It's my pleasure. On many nights, ain't nobody witness the pain. Nobody. I paid my dues, don't you go get it confused. I need to better my views, I need some credit to use. Yeah, you can hear the wolf howl. Tell me what you gonna do now. Yeah, I see you trying to move slow. If you feel yourself losing all of your control, just breathe. Easy. Yeah, nigga, breathe easy. 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 See what we get easy. Though I breathe easy. Easy beat, nazi breeze, got some sick prophecies. I see myself spilling seeds, so it's about to be my season. Fuck a season, deceased never season. Retreat, take a seat, then it's born opposite. Feeding your ears on the sickest of flows. They so seasick, got scriptures, Nikami, Kasisi. Talking, no games, no comic, no DC. Is it really love if that shit only's Kinky? Surrounded by people who don't really see me. Talking about people who won't let me be me. Fuck 'em, my duck 'em, might go cause a ruckus. I minus the suckers of might in the summer. Shine in abundance and work on my commas. So you know the boys staying hot like an oven. Yeah.